Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Epsom salt, a household staple that goes beyond just soothing sore muscles. Did you know that this versatile mineral can be used in surprising ways? From enhancing your garden to improving your beauty routine, Epsom salt offers unique benefits that many people overlook. Join us as we explore 8 lesser-known uses for this everyday item and discover how it can transform your life in ways you never imagined. Natural muscle relaxant. Epsom salt, composed of magnesium sulfate, is renowned for its ability to relieve muscle tension and soreness. When dissolved in warm water, magnesium is absorbed through the skin, helping to relax muscles and reduce inflammation. This makes soaking in an Epsom salt bath after workouts a fantastic way to enhance recovery. Not only does it soothe aching muscles, but it also promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Incorporating Epsom salt into your post-exercise routine can significantly aid in recovery, allowing you to bounce back faster and feel your best. Epsom salt is a fantastic addition to your gardening toolkit as it provides magnesium, which is essential for chlorophyll production. This vital nutrient helps plants absorb sunlight and promotes healthy growth. To apply Epsom salt, simply dissolve 1 tablespoon in a gallon of water and use it to water your plants monthly. You can also sprinkle it directly into the soil around plants like tomatoes, peppers and roses, which particularly thrive with the added magnesium. Boost your garden's health and vitality with this simple yet effective natural remedy. Epsom salt is a hidden gem in the beauty world, offering incredible benefits for both skin and hair. As a natural exfoliant, it helps remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin smoother and more radiant. For hair, Epsom salt can add volume when used in rinses. Simply mix equal parts Epsom salt and conditioner, apply it to your hair and rinse after 20 minutes. For a soothing body scrub, combine Epsom salt with coconut oil and a few drops of essential oil. Embrace these DIY treatments for a fresh, revitalized look. Pest control. Epsom salt is an effective and natural pest deterrent for your garden, particularly against slugs and snails. The magnesium sulfate creates a barrier that these pests find uncomfortable to cross. To use Epsom salt as a pest control method, simply sprinkle it around the base of your plants or create a solution by dissolving it in water and spraying it on affected areas. Foot soak remedy. Epsom salt is a wonderful addition to your foot soak routine, providing relief for tired and achy feet. The magnesium helps relax muscles and reduce inflammation, making it perfect after a long day. For an enhanced experience, consider adding a few drops of essential oils like lavender or tea tree, which promote relaxation and have antibacterial properties. Additionally, Epsom salt can help combat foot odor and athlete's foot by creating an environment that discourages fungal growth. Treat your feet to this soothing remedy and feel the difference. Household cleaner. Epsom salt is an excellent natural cleaning agent that can tackle various surfaces in your home. Its coarse texture makes it effective for scrubbing away grime, while its deodorizing properties help eliminate unpleasant odors. For a simple homemade cleaner, mix 1 cup of Epsom salt with 1 cup of liquid dish soap and a few drops of essential oil for a fresh scent. Stress relief. Epsom salt is a powerful ally in alleviating stress and promoting relaxation. The magnesium it contains plays a crucial role in calming the nervous system, helping to reduce anxiety and improve mood. Incorporating Epsom salt baths into your self-care routine can create a soothing experience that allows you to unwind after a long day. Just a warm soak can work wonders for your mental health, making relaxation essential for overall well-being. Embrace the calming effects of Epsom salt and prioritize your self-care for a more balanced life. In summary, Epsom salt is an incredibly versatile and beneficial substance that can enhance various aspects of your life. From soothing sore muscles and promoting plant growth to serving as a natural beauty treatment and pest deterrent, its uses are truly remarkable. We encourage you to try these innovative applications in your daily routine and experience the benefits for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends for more exciting content. Thank you for watching and happy exploring with Epsom salt.